Standard 9th, Science and Technology Part 1st, Chapter number 4, Measurement of Matter. Now we are going to study about the mole concept. Now, while performing the chemical reactions in laboratories, we should know the number of molecules or number of atoms in the given sample. This can be determined by understanding the मोल कन्सेप्ट. मित्रांनो, प्रयोगशाळेमध्ये जेव्हा रासायनिक अभिक्रिया करण्यासाठी एखादा रासायनिक पदार्थ किती प्रमाणात घ्यायचा हे ठरवावं लागेल आणि ते ठरवण्यासाठी आपल्याला मोल ही संकल्पना वापरावी लागते. A mole is that quantity of a substance whose mass in grams is equal in magnitude to the molecular mass of that substance in Dalton. Or in other terms, we can say the molecular mass, if expressed in terms of grams, that is considered as the mole. म्हणजे एखाद्या पदार्थाचं जो काही रेणू वस्तुमान असेल त्या पदार्थाच्या रेणू वस्तुमाना इतके ग्रॅम तो पदार्थ जर घेतला तर आपल्याला एक मोल पदार्थ घेता येतो. उदाहरणार्थ, नेम ऑफ दिस सबस्टन्स इज गिवन हियर, मॉलिक्युलर मास इन डाल्टन इज गिवन हियर. नाउ इफ we are going to weigh the substance in grams, then we will get the value here, and here the number of moles is given. Here oxygen is taken, its molecular formula is O2, its molecular mass is 32 Dalton. Then suppose if we take 32 grams of oxygen, then actually we have taken 1 mole of oxygen. In case of water, of which molecular formula is H2O, its molecular mass is 18 Dalton. Then if we have weighed water up to 18 gram, then actually we have taken 1 mole of water. Again, next example is of chlorine. Molecular formula of chlorine is Cl2. Its molecular mass is 71 Dalton. And if we are weighing this chlorine up to 71 gram, then actually we have taken 1 mole of chlorine. मित्रांनो, या ठिकाणी आपण लक्षात घ्यायला हरकत नाही की दिलेल्या पदार्थांची रेणू वस्तुमान जे काही आहे डाल्टनमध्ये तितकेच ग्रॅम तो पदार्थ जर घेतला तर आपण 1 मोल तो पदार्थ घेतला असं म्हणतो. प्रत्येक ठिकाणी याच पद्धतीनं आपल्याला त्याचे रेणू वस्तुमान जे ग्रॅममध्ये घेतलेले आहे इतका तो पदार्थ घेतला तर त्या पदार्थाचा 1 मोल घेतला असं आपण म्हणूया. नाउ, नंबर ऑफ मोल्स ऑफ एनी सबस्टन्स. म्हणजे आता प्रयोगशाळेमध्ये प्रत्यक्षामध्ये आपण एखादा पदार्थ घेतलाय वजन करून, तर तो प्रत्यक्षात किती आणि त्याचा मॉलिक्युलर मासशी असलेला संबंध. नाउ हियर मास ऑफ द सबस्टन्स इन ग्रॅम्स ॲक्च्युअली टेकन डिवायडेड बाय मॉलिक्युलर मास ऑफ द सबस्टन्स. SI unit of mole is MOL. Now, Avogadro's number. Italian scientist Amedeo Avogadro for the first time stated that the equal volume of gas will contain equal number of molecules of the gas. That is generalized as the number of molecules in 1 mole of any substance is constant, and this is called as the Avogadro's number, and this is denoted as capital N and subscript A. Later on, other scientists fixed this number experimentally that the value of Avogadro's number is 6.022 into 10 raised to 23. मित्रांनो, इटालियन शास्त्रज्ञ अमेडिओ ॲव्होगॅद्रो यांनी असं सांगितलं, एखाद्या फुग्याचं आकारमान जर निश्चित असेल तर तितक्या आकारमानामध्ये असलेल्या वायूचे जे कण आहेत, वायूचे जे रेणू आहेत त्यांची संख्या निश्चित असणार. आणि नंतर खरोखर काही शास्त्रज्ञांनी प्रयोग करून पुढं ही संख्या निश्चित केली आणि ही संख्या स्थिर येते अशी दाखवून दिलेलं आहे. आणि त्या स्थिर संख्येलाच ॲव्होगॅद्रो नंबर असं म्हटलं जातं. आणि ॲव्होगॅद्रो नंबर आहे 6.022 गुणिले 10⁻23. In case of oxygen, the molecular mass of oxygen is 32 Dalton, and if we have taken 32 grams of oxygen, then actually we have taken 1 mole of oxygen, and this 1 mole of oxygen or 32 grams of oxygen contain 6.022 into 10 raised to 23 molecules of oxygen. Water having molecular formula H2O and molecular mass of 18 Dalton. If we have taken 18 grams of water, then actually we have taken 1 mole of water, and in this 1 mole of water or in 18 gram of water, 6.022 into 10 raised to 23 molecules of water are present. In case of chlorine, the molecular mass is 71 Dalton. If it is taken in grams, then actually we have taken 1 mole of chlorine, and this will contain 6.022 into 10 raised to 23 molecules of chlorine. In case of carbon dioxide, molecular mass is 44 Dalton. It is taken in grams, then actually we have taken 1 mole of carbon dioxide, and this 1 mole of carbon dioxide, that means 44 grams of carbon dioxide, will contain 6.022 into 10 raised to 23 molecules of carbon dioxide. In case of nitrogen, molecular mass of nitrogen is 28 Dalton, and if it is taken in grams, that is 28 grams of nitrogen, then actually we have taken 1 mole of nitrogen, and this 1 mole of nitrogen or 28 grams of nitrogen will contain 6.022 into 10 raised to 23 molecules of nitrogen. In case of sodium chloride, molecular mass of sodium chloride is 58.5 Dalton, and if it is taken in grams, then actually we have taken 1 mole of sodium chloride, and in this 1 mole of sodium chloride, that is 58.5 gram of sodium chloride, will contain 6.022 into 10 raised to 23 molecules of sodium chloride. Thank you.